Hello my dear students, welcome to our channel Teacher at Home. Today class we are going to learn the which chapter, ninth chapter, how many times? Etra pravasham, le? Leggy animals. There are 5 gods. How many legs altogether? Appa etra aadulallada 5 le? Appa each god it is having how many legs? 4 legs it is having. See here, it is each god having how many? 4 legs. Okay, so 5 times 4. 5 times 4 means 4. This one 4. This one 4. This again 4. This one 4. This one 4. So total will be how much? 20 legs will be there, or 5 into 4 is equal to 20. How many spiders? 3 spiders. See here how many spider? 3 spider. We can write it as 3. Then 3 spiders. Then how many legs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 legs. One spider has how many legs? See here, write down. We can write it as 8 legs. Then in all, spider legs are 3 times. Okay, 3 times because we are having 3 spiders. So 8, here 8, here 8. How much it is? It is 24. Okay, how do we get that? In all spider legs are 3 times. Okay, so or 3 into what we'll write here? 3 into 8. What we'll get? 24 we'll get. Okay, do you know this leggy fellow? This is octopus. Okay, what we are seeing in the sea? Octopus. It lives in the sea. കടലിലാണ് ജീവിക്കുന്നത്. It also has 8 legs. How many legs? 8 legs. So how many legs altogether do 5 octopus has? That is, one octopus it is having how many legs? 8 legs. Likewise, 5 octopus will be having how many? 8 legs will be having. That we have to write here. 8 legs. Okay. So altogether how many? 40 legs will be there. How we will get? 8 into 5. 5 times what? 5 times 8. We get that is equal to 40. Okay. So 5 into what we'll write here? 8. That is equal to 40. Clear? This is the octopus, shape of an octopus. Find the number without counting. How many flowers in a flower bed? അപ്പോൾ പൂച്ചെടിയുടെ ഓരോ ലെയർ വെച്ചിരിക്കുകയാണ് അല്ലേ? How many are there? See here. Here it is 6. Here also 6. Each layer it is having how many? 6 it is having. See here 6. Here 6. Here also 6. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here also how many? 6. So 6 into 4 that is equal to 24, or 6 times 4 that is 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 that is equal to 24. Let's try another way. The flower bed has how many rows? 6 rows. Each row has 4 flowers. So altogether how many? See here we can write as 4. Here also 4. Okay, 4. Then here 4. Here also 4. Here also 4. Here how many? That is 6. Here 6. Here 6. Here also 6. Okay. Likewise, 4 6 times will is equal to 24. You can write it as 24. 24. 6 into 4 that is also is equal to 24. In the same way, how many bottles are there? Count. Dash times dash is equal to dash bottles. That is, in this side how many is there? 4 is there. Here 5. So 5 rows. How many rows? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. Okay. 4 sections. So here we can write what? 4 times 5. What will give? It gives 20 bottles. Okay. 4 times, because in this row 4 is there, in this side 5 is there. So 4 times 5 will give 20. Same way, how many eggs? See here. Here we are having how many rows? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows are there. So 6 times. Then here 5. 6 times 5 what will give? 30 eggs we will get. Okay. അപ്പോൾ ഇതിൽ എത്ര എണ്ണം ഉണ്ട്? റോ വൈസ് നോക്കുകയാണെങ്കിൽ 6 റോ ഉണ്ട് അല്ലേ? ഹിയർ ആണെങ്കിൽ കോളം വൈസ് ആണെങ്കിലോ? See 5 columns. So 6 into 5 will give 30. rewrite using the plus sign. So what we have to do here, this into has to be changed into plus. Okay, into the plus aaki maati ezhudana. So 2 into 5 means 2 times 5. So 5 how many times we have to write? 5 2 times we have to write. So 5 into 2 that can be written as how much? 5 plus 5 that is equal to. Okay, you can write here equal to. That is equal to 10. So 5 plus 5 or 5 into 2 that will be equal to 10. Okay. Then 4 times 4 into 18 is 4 times what? 4 times 18. അപ്പോൾ 4 പ്രാവശ്യം 18 എന്ന് എഴുതണം തന്നെയാണ് എന്ത് 4 into 18. Or we can write, how we can write? That is we can write it as 18 plus 18. Like that we can write. Okay. Here. How we can write? Into can be replaced to plus. So 18 plus 18 plus, that is 4 times. What we have to write? 18. 4 times we have to write, and what will be the answer of that? That is 18 into 4 or 4 times 18. We can do like this. That is 18 into has to be written into downwards. What we write? Downwards here 4. So that will be equal to, what is 8 into 4? 8 into 4 is 32. So 2 we will write here. Okay. 2 we will write here. Then 3 will be where? Here. Okay. So 4 into 1 4 plus 3, that is 7. So 72 is the answer for this. If we are doing the addition also, what we will get? We will get the answer as how much? As 72. Okay. So 4 into 12 can be written as here 7. So 7 is the answer for this. Okay, can be written as 72. Then 3 into 20, that is 3 times. How many times? 3 times 20. 20 has to be written how many times? 3 times. Okay, what will be the answer for that? Here 20, then 20 plus 20. 3 times 0 means the answer for that it is 0. Then 2 plus 2 plus 2. What is that? 6. Okay, so 60 is the answer. So 3 into 20 or 20 plus 20 plus 20, that is also equal to how much? 60. That is, here we can write 20 into 3. 0 into 3, 0. 3 into 2, 6. So 60 is the answer. Next, 8 into 9. It is 8 times 9. 8 times what? 9. That can be written as here 8 times. So we are not writing 8. What we are writing? We are writing 9. That is will be equal to 72. Okay. 8 into 8 means 64. 8 into 9, 73. 73. That is 8 into 9 we got as 72. 8 times 9. 9 we have to write how many times? 8 times we have to write. That answer is 72. Tell how many times. That is, here 9 it is written how many times? 6 times 9 is written. So here what we will write? 6 times 9. Okay, 6 times 9. Then here 5 times 4. 5 times 4. 5 times 4. Then here, that is 6 times 9. What is the answer for that? 5 into 9, that is equal to 45. 6 into 9, it is 54. Okay. Then next one. 5 into 4, that is equal to 20. That is 5 times 4. How many times we are writing 4? 5 times we are writing 4. Okay. So the answer it is that of 20. Then next one. Here how many times 8 is there? 3 times. So 3 times 8 is there. What we can write? We can write it as 24. Okay. 3 times 8 it is written, which can be read as 24. Then 3 how many times it is written? 5 times 3 it is written. Okay. 5 times 3 it is written. What will be the answer? 15. Okay. 5 into 1 5. 5 into 2 10. 5 into 3 15. Then next one. How many times? 3 times what it is written? 30 it is written. Okay. 3 times 30. 3 പ്രാവശ്യം എന്താ എഴുതിയിരിക്കുന്നത്? 30 ആണ് എഴുതിയിരിക്കുന്നത്. So 3 times 30. Answer will be 90. Okay. Then here how many? 3 6. So 6 times 7 is written. 6 times 7 it is written. So 6 into 6 that is 36. 6 into 7 it is 42. Okay, 6 times 7 it is written, that is 42. Then here 12 it is written how many times? 4 times it is written. 4 times it is written 12. 4 times is 12 written. Answer it is 48. 4 times 12 it is written. So the answer is 48. Then 3 times 6 it is written. 3 times 6 it is written. Answer is 18. That is here how many times 6? 1, 2 and 3. So 3 times 6 it is written. Answer it is 18. Here 4 times 10 it is written. 4 times 10. Answer it is 40. That is here 4 times 10 it is written. So the answer will be 40. And here 5 times 2. 5 times here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 times 2 it is written. So the answer will be 10. Okay. 2 when written 5 times will get 10. 2 plus 2 4. 4 plus 2 6. 6 plus 2 8. 8 plus 2 10. Okay. Then here how many times 6 it is written? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times what it is written? 6 is written. So 7 times 6 it is written. The answer will be what? Answer will be 42. Okay. Then next, Ramu bought 4 packets of biscuits. Each packet has 4 biscuits. How many biscuits did Ramu buy? So what we have to write? Ramu bought how many packets of biscuits? 4 packets of biscuits he bought. In each packet it is having how many biscuits? That we have to write. Okay. Each packet it is having 4 biscuits. So the total will be 16. ഓക്കെ രാമു ബോട്ട് 4 പാക്കറ്റ്സ് 4 പാക്കറ്റ് ബിസ്ക്കറ്റാണ് വാങ്ങിയത്. അതിൽ ഓരോ പാക്കറ്റിലും എത്ര വീതം ബിസ്ക്കറ്റ് ഉണ്ട്? 4 ബിസ്ക്കറ്റ് വീതമുണ്ട്. അപ്പൊ ആകെ കൂടി എത്ര ബിസ്ക്കറ്റ് ഉണ്ടാവും? That we have to multiply 4 times 4, that is equal to 16, or we can write as 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. That is 4 times 4 it is written. Okay, 4 times 4 means 16. So our answer is 16. Then there are 12 desks in a classroom. Each desk has 4 legs. What is the total number of legs of the desk? അപ്പോൾ എത്രയാണ്? 12 ഡെസ്ക് ക്ലാസ് റൂമിലുണ്ട് അല്ലേ? ഓരോ ഡെസ്കിനും 4 കാല് വീതമാണ് ഉള്ളത്. അപ്പോൾ what is the total number of legs? They are asking not the desk. Desk already given, that is 12. And now they are asking about the legs. അല്ലേ? How many legs will be there? What we will write? 12 times 4 it is. അല്ലേ? 12 ഡെസ്ക് ഉണ്ട്. അതിൽ എന്താണ്? 4 കാല് വീതമാണ് ഉള്ളത്. So the total will be how much? 48. This can also be written as how? 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12. That is 4 times it is written. 4 times means answer it is 48. Okay. So we can write the answer here as 48. Sabiha bought 3 bunches of flowers. So how many bunches of flowers did she bought? She bought 3 bunches. Then how each bunch it is having how many flowers? Each bunch it is having 4 flowers. So how many bunches of flower? 3 bunches of flower. Each bunch it is having how many flowers? 4 flowers. So the total will be 12. So we can write as 3 times 4. Okay. So 4 has to be written 3 times. That is 3 bunches of flowers, and each bunch it is having 4 flowers. 4 times 3. Okay. 4 times 3 means we can write it as 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. That is equal to 12. Okay. 12 can also be written here 12. One rail coach has 8 wheels. How many wheels in all coaches? So here we can write as one rail coach, it is having how many wheels? 8 wheels. And each wheel it is having how many coaches? It is having 6 coaches. So altogether how many wheels will be there? Wheels will be 48. This can also be written as how? 8 wheels. That is 8 plus 8, 8 plus 8 plus 8. 3, 4, 5, 6. Isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer it is 48. Okay. Then how many times 2? Here one in the first row. First row it is 2. Okay. How many times means only one time. 2 it is present here. 2. Then in the second row how many times? 4 times. Third 6 time it is present. 4 8 time it is present. Then 5 10 times it is present. In the 6, it is 12 times present. That is, each one carry how much? 2. So, the number multiplied by the 2 will get the answer in each row. How many birds will be present? Okay. Then coming down. 1 time 2, that is 2 it is present only one time. So 1 into 2, that is equal to 2. Then 2 times 2, that is 2 it is present how many times? 2 times 2 it is present. So our answer will be 4. That is 1 it is present how many times? In one row how many birds are there? 2 birds are there. So 1 into 2, that is equal to 2. 2 times 2 means 2 birds they are present 2 times. So 2 into 2, that is equal to 4. Then 3 in the third row 2 birds they are seen in how many rows? It is seen in 3 rows. So 3 into 2, that is equal to 6. Then in the fourth row 2 birds are seen 4 times. Okay, 2 birds are seen 4 times. So it is 8. Then 5 birds are seen how many times? No, 2 birds are seen how many times? 5 times. So the answer it is 10. Then 2 birds are seen 6 times. So the answer will be 12. See, write it here. 2, 4, 6. Then 2 times 4 means what will be the answer? 8. See here we can see 8. Okay. Just you write it down. Here also 8. Then 5 times 2. See here 5. In the fifth row, the 2 birds, they are seen how many times? 5 times. So 2 birds, they are seen 5 times. 5 into 2. That is equal to 10. In the sixth row, 2 birds are seen 6 times. So the answer it is 12. In the seventh row, 7 times 2. That is 7 birds are seen. 2 birds are seen 7 times. So the answer it is 14. Then next, what will be here? 8 times. Okay, 8 times what it is present? 2 birds are present. 8 times 2 birds are present. So that is equal to 16, or 8 into 2 we can write it as 16. Then 9 times what is seen? 2 is seen. 9 times 2 is seen. So the answer it is 18. 9 into 2, 18. 18. Then 10 times 2 is seen. See here, 10 times what is seen? 2 is seen. So the answer it is 20. 10 into 2 is also equal to 20. Okay. Jump with me. Taru frogs jumps 3 steps from each time. Which number will Taru touch? What is the number that Taru touch here? That is 3 times it is present. 3 times means after jumping to 21. 18, from 18 where it is going? See here we can write the dotted lines up. it is going to 21. After 21, it is going to 24, then 27, 30, after that 33, then 36, 39, after that it is 42, then 45, then 48, 51, 54. Okay, like that the jog frog താരു അല്ലേ അതോടെ എന്താ താരു ഇങ്ങനെയാണ് ജമ്പ് ചെയ്യണത് ഇങ്ങനെ മൂന്ന് വെച്ചിട്ട് അല്ലേ 3 6 9 12 15 then what is coming 18 21 24 like that it is going. So we can write from the here answer. One time 3 it is crossing. So 1 time 3 crossing means what will be the answer? Answer it is 3. Then in the second time, where it jumped? Second time 3, again 3 it is jumped. Where it reached? It reached 6th. Okay. The third time, 9 എത്തിയത്. അപ്പോൾ 3 into 3 എത്രയാ? 9. Then in the fourth time, 9 കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് ചാടിയപ്പോൾ എവിടെ എത്തിയത്? 12. So 4 into 3 that is equal to 12. Then fifth time, where it jumped? From 12 it jumped to 15. So fifth time it jumped to 15. Then sixth time, from 15 it jumped to where? It jumped to 18. So 6 into 3 that is equal to 18. Then seventh time, from 18 it jumped to 21. So 7 into 3 that is equal to 21. 7 into 3 that is equal to 21. Then from 21 it jumped to where? It jumped to 24. 7 then 8 into 3 that is equal to 24. Then 9 into 3. 9 into 3 it reached where? It reached 27. It is 9 into 3. From 24 again it jumped 3 steps. So where it reached? It reached 27. 10 into 3. From 27 it reached 30. 30 that is 3 times 3 steps also it jumped up. 3 step jumping means it reached 30. Then 11 times after 30 it took 3 more steps. So 3 more steps means it jumped to 33. Then from 33 it jumped 3 more steps. It reached 36. That is 12 into 3 is also 36. From 36 it jumped 3 more steps, reached 39. Again from 39 4 more steps, that is 42. Again 3 more steps, 45. That is 15 into 3 that is equal to 45. So we can write 1 into 3 that is 3, 2 into 3 is 6, 3 into 3 9, 4 into 3 12, 5 into 3 15, 6 into 3 18, 7 into 3 21, 8 into 3 24, 9 into 3 27, 10 into 3 30, 11 into 3 33, 12 into 3 36, 13 into 3 39, 14 into 3 42. Okay. Try jump with 7 steps. That is what is given here. A ring it is given here. A chain it is given here. What we have to do? Into 7. That is 7 steps. If a bird it is jumping 7 steps, where it will reach? That we have to mark. Okay. Then first we can start the game. So starting from the game it is 0. It is starting. We have to count only from 1. It is 1 into 7. That is where it reached. It reached 7. Here we can mark. Okay. It reached 7. Finally, we can write the answer. Then from 7, it jumped how many steps? 7 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Where it reached? It reached 14. Then again jumping how many times? Jump 7 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Where it reached? It reached 21. Again 7 more steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. It reached 27. After that, how many times we have to do this? 15 times we have to do this. Okay. Then from 27, it jumped 7 steps. 3, 6 and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 28 it reached. Okay, it is not 27. It reached 28. Okay, then from 28, where it reached? It reached 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. It reached 35. Okay. From 35, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It reached 42. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In the 7th time, 49. After that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It reached 56. 56. Then from the this it reached it jumped 7 more steps. 1, 2, 3. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It reached 62. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7. Not 6 steps. How many steps? 7 step. Okay, 7 step it jumped. So it reached 63. Then again 7 more steps. On the 10th time where it reached 70. Okay, so we can write here. 7 into 7, 1 into 7, what we got? We got the answer as 7. Then next step. Then the second time where it reached 14. That is 2 into 7, that is equal to 14. In the third time it reached 21. That is 3 into 7, that is equal to 21. In the fourth time where it reached 28. So 7 into 4 into 7, that is equal to 28. In the fifth time it reached 35. That we have to write here. 35. That is 5 into 7, that is equal to 35. In the sixth time where it reached, after 35 it reached 42. Okay, so 6 into 7, that is equal to 42. In the seventh time where it reached 49. Okay, so 7 into 7, that is 49. In the eighth time it reached 56. 8 into 7, that is 56. Then in the ninth time it reached where? After 56, where it is going? 63. Then 10th time. 10th time where it is reached? It reached 70. Okay, so 10 into 7, that is 70. So we can start again jumping. That is from 70, it reached 7 steps. It jumped 7 steps and reached 77. Again it jumped 7 steps. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is 84. Again 7 more steps. It crossed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is 91. Again 7 more steps. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After that, final step, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 105. So we can write the 11th time it jumped how many steps? 7 steps and reached where? 77. Then in the 12th time where it reached jumped 7 steps and reached 84. Okay, then it again jumped 7 steps. It reached where? In the 13th time it reached 91. In the 14th time where it reached? After 91, it crossed 98. Then from 98, it reached the final step, that is 105. 15th time, it crossed 7 more steps and reached 105. Okay, so that's all the factors of 7. 11 into 7, 77. 12 into 7, 84. 13 into 7, that is 91. 14 into 7, that is 80, 98. 15 into 7, 105. Stick play. Midhu had some sticks. She arranged like this. 1 time 5 into 5, that is 5. 2 times 5, that is equal to 10. 3 times 5, 15. 4 times 5, 20. Then she counted how many times the sticks were crossing each other. She found that 4 times 5, that is 4 into 5, that is equal to 20. That is 1 time 5. ഒരു പ്രാവശ്യം 5 arrange ചെയ്തപ്പോൾ 5. 2 times 10. 3 times 15. 4 times 20. Okay, here also we can write 1 time 2. 2. 2 time 2. That is 4. 3 time 2. 6. 4 time 2. 8. 5 time 2. 10. 6 time 2. 12. 7 time 2. 14. 8 time 2. 16. 9 times 2, 18. 10 times 2, that is 20. So 1 times 2, 2. 2 times 2, 4. 3 times 2, 6. 4 times 2, 8. 5 times 2, 10. 6 times 2, 12. 7 times 2, 14. 8 times 2, 16. 9 times 2, 18. 10 times 2, 20. Now draw sticks to make the multiplication table of 6. So 6 also we can write like this. That is 1 times 6. 1 times 6, that is equal to how much? 1 times 6, that is equal to 6. Then 2 times 6. How much it will be? It will be 12. Again 3 times 6, that is equal to 18. Again 4 times 6, that is equal to 24. Then 5 times 6, that is equal to 30. 6 times 6 is equal to 36. 7 times 6 is equal to 42. Then 8 times 6, that is what we are doing. 6, it is being repeatedly adding. So here we can write 8. 8 times 6, that is equal to 48. 9 times 6 is equal to 54. 10 times 6 is equal to 60. So likewise we got the table for 6 also. Okay, 1 times 6, 6. 2 times 6, 12. 3 times 6, 18. 4 times 6, 24. 5 times 6, 30. 6 times 6, 36. 7 times 6, 48. 8 times 6, 48. 9 times 6, 54. 10 times 6, 60. Shopping with tables. How much do the things cost? What is the cost of these things? 4 toffees cost. That is, each is having ഓരോന്നിനും എത്രയാണ് 2 rupees 2 അല്ലേ? ഓരോന്നിനും 2 rupees ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ 4 ടോഫീസിന് എത്ര വരും? 4 into 2 അല്ലേ? ഓരോന്നിനും 2 4 ടോഫീസ് ഉണ്ട്. അപ്പോൾ 4 into 2, that is equal to 8 rupees. Okay. 3 pencil boxes cost. ഈച്ചിന് എത്രയാണ്? ഓരോ പെൻസിൽ ബോക്സിനും 10 രൂപയാണ്. So what we'll write? 3 into 3 times 10. What will be that? 30. Okay, 3 times. Each it is having how many rupees? 10 rupees each. So 3 will cost 30 rupees. 10 pencil box cost. Pencil box. Appa each it is having how many rupees? 10 rupees. So 10 will 10 into 10 times 10, that is equal to 100. 9 balloons. That is, each balloon it is having 5 rupees. Okay, so 9 balloons means 9 into 5, that is equal to 45. This 45 we have to write here, 45. Okay. 5 toys cost. So each toy it is having how much rupees? 4 rupees. So 5 toys, 4 rupees will give what? 20. Cost 20 rupees. Okay. Then if 7 masks, each one cost 3 rupees. 7 into 3, that is equal to 21. So 7 mask cost is equal to 21. Practice time. Complete the following. So we have to complete this section. What is 2 into 7? We have written here. No, 2 into 7. 2 when taken how many times? 7 times. It is 14. Okay. You have to study this thoroughly. Only after that you will be able to write yourself. Okay. Then 3 into 9. 3 times 9. How will it? 1 time 9. 2 times what? 18. So 3 times will be equal to how much? 27. 4 times 9 means how much? That is 1 time 9. 9. 2 times 9, 18. 3 times 9, 27. 4 times 9, 36. Then 5 times 2. 1 time 2, 2. 2 times 2, 4, 3 times 2, 6, 4 times 2, 8, 5 times 2 means 10. 5 times 8, how much it will be? 1 times 8, 8, 2 times 8, 16, 3 times 8, how much? 24. Then 4 times 8, 32, 5 times 8, 40. Then 3 times 10, 1 time 10, 10, 2 times 10, 20, 3 times 10 means 30. 4 times 10 is 40, 5 times 10, 50, 6 times 10 means 60. 7 times 10 means 70, 8 times 10 means 80. So, then 2 times 8, that is 2 times 5, how much? It is 10. 2 times 7, 14. So, 8 it will be 16. Okay. Then 5 times 9, 9 to 4, 36. So, 5 times means 45. Okay. Look at the patterns and complete. So what are these? These are the multiplication factor. We have to complete this. Okay. What is it? Is starting from 3. 3 times 1, 3. 3 times 2, 6. 3 times 3, 9. 3 times 4, it is 12. Then 3 times 5, 15. 3 times 6, 18. Okay. Then it is a multiplication factor 2. 2 times 2, 2. 4, 2 times 4, 8. 2 times 2, 4. 2 times 3, 6. 2 times 4, 8. 2 times 5, 10. 2 times 6, 12. Then the multiplication factor, it is 10. 1 times 10, 10. 2 times 10 is 20. 3 times 10, 30. 4 times 10 means what? 40. 5 times 10 means 50. 6 times 10, 60. Then multiplication 4. 1 times 4, 4. 2 times 4, 8. 1 times 4, 4. 2 times 4, 8. 3 times 4, 12. 4 times 4, 16. 5 times 4, 20. 6 times 4, 24. Multiplication 5. 1 times 5, 5. 2 times 5, 10. 3 times 5, 15. 4 times 5, 20. 6 times 5, 25. 7 times 5, 6 times 5, that is 5 times 5, 25. 6 times means 30. Then next multiplication factor 30. 1 time 30, 30. 2 times 30, 60. 3 times 30, 90. 4 times 30, 120. 5 times 30, 150. 6 times 30, 180. Then next, complete the multiplication tree. So here it is also a multiplication tree. We have to complete this figure. Okay. What it is given here? Okay. We can start doing. That is what multiplication? 2 multiplication in this branch. Okay. 2 into 5, 10. 5 into 2 also 10. 10 into 1. So what are the factors that is coming under 10 that we have to write? Here it is given 12. So what all we can write? Here what will be 4 times 3, it is 12. Then what? 3 times 4 times also 3, it is 12. Then 6 times 2 is also 12. 12 times 1 is also 12. Then what? 3 times 4 is also 12. Okay. So under 12, how many factors will come? Under 12, see here, this is one factor. This is another factor. This one another. So 4 factors we can write. Then coming under 18, what we'll write? Coming under 18, that is 6 into 3 is equal to 18. Then 9 into 2 is equal to what? 18. Then 3 into 6 is equal to 18. 18 into 1 is also 18. So we can write how many factors? 4 factors we can write. Okay, then next is 35. What will be 35? 7 times 5 is 35. 5 times 7 is also what? 35. 35 times 1 is also 35. Next, 24 we have to write. That is 4 times 6 is 24. 8 times 3 is 24. 12 times 2 is 24. Then 4 times 6 also is 24. 3 times 8 is also 24. Okay, then 36 we have to write. That is 18 into 18 times 2. 36. 9. 4 times 9 times 4. 36. 12 times 3. 36. Then what? 36 times 1 is also 1 time what? 36 is also 36. 4 times 9 is also 36. Coming under 45. That is 15 into 3 is 45. 15 times 3. 45. Then what? 9 into 5 is 45. 45 into 1 is also 45. 5 into 9 is also 45. Okay. Then next, 80. The answer is given here. That is 8 times 10 is 80. 4 times 20, 80. 2 times 40, 80. 1 time 80, 80. 16 times 5, 80. Likewise, we have completed this tree. Okay. Then next, how many in all? The almara has 4 shelves. There are 5 books in each row. ഇപ്പോൾ അൽമാരയ്ക്ക് എത്ര ഷെൽഫ് ഉണ്ട്? 4 ഷെൽഫ് ഉണ്ട് അല്ലേ? 5 books in each shelf. How many books are there in the almara? So 4 shelves are there. Each shelf how many? 5. So 4 times 5 it is 20. Then a shirt has how many buttons? 5 buttons. 5 buttons. Then how many buttons has 3 shirts? That is 3 shirts are having 5 buttons. So 5 into 5 times 3. That is equal to 15. Okay. Then there are 4 fans. Each fan having 3 blades. Then what is the total number of blades? 4 fan is there and each fan it is having how many blades? 3 blades. So will be total number of blades is 12. A box contains 6 apples. How many apples will be in 6 boxes? 7 boxes. So a box contains 6 apples. Then each box it is have. Then how many apples in 7 box? 7 box will contain how many apples? 42 apples. 42 apples. Okay. That is box contains 6 apples in 7 boxes. How many corners with the 4 triangles have? That is corners that a 4 triangle it is. We can count starting from here. Corners means here 1, 2, 3. Then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How much? It is 12 corners. That is 4 triangles. 4 triangle. Each triangle it is having how many? 3 corner. 3 corners. So the total will be 12. Okay. 4 triangles are there. Each will be having 3 corners. So the total it is 12. Some multiplication facts. 8 into 3. That is 3 into 5. How much? 15. 3 into 6. 3 times 6. 18. 3 times 7. 21. 3 times 8. It is 24. 3 times dash is equal to 3. 3 times 3 is equal to 9. Then here 42. In order to get 42, what all has to be added? That is 6 times 7. 6 times 6 is 36. 6 times 7 is equal to 42. Can write it as 6 times 7. That is equal to 42. And 5 times a dash is equal to 40. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 2, 10. 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 5, 25. 5 times 6, 30. 5 times 7, 35. 5 times 8 is equal to 40. Then what and all will multiplied will give 54. That is 9 into 6 will is equal to 54. 9 into 5. 9 times 5 it is 45. 9 times 6 is equal to 54. 5 times dash is equal to 35. 5 times 7 is equal to 35. Then here 6 times 6 is equal to 36. 10 times 2 is equal to what? 20. 10 times 2. Then in order to get 36, 4 times 9 is equal to 36. Then 4 times 7 is equal to 28. So study the multiplication factor, multiplication table thoroughly. Only you will be able to write the multiplication as fast as you can. Okay. So we can study the multiplication table. Multiplication table of 1. That is 1 times 1 is equal to 1. 2 times 1. So 1 it is written how many times? 2 times 1. It is equal to 2. 3 times 1 it is 3 into 1. That is equal to 3. 4 times 1. That is here it is written 4. 4 times 1 means 4. Then 5 times we have to write here as what? 5. Okay. 5 times 5 times 1. That is 5 here. 5 into 1. That is equal to 5. 6 times 1. Here it is written 6 times 1. That is 6 into 1. That is equal to 6. Then 7 times 1. Here it is written 7. 7. That is 7 times 1. 7 times 1. 7 times 1. That is equal to 7. Then 8 times 1. 8 times 1. That is 8 times 1. That is equal to 8. Multiplying big numbers. 2 toffees were given to each student in the class. If there were 34 students, how many toffees were there in all? That is 2 toffees. There were 34 students. So 34 students are present in the class. Each were given how many toffees? 2 toffees were given each. So total number of toffees given is 34 into 2. That is equal to how much? That is equal to 8, 6, 78 is the answer. Okay, 78. 78. How to do that? Here we can do 34 into what is given here? 2. Okay. 2 it is given here. So 4 into 2 it is 8. 3 into 2 is 6. Oh, 68 is the answer. Sorry, 68 is the answer. Two into 4, 8. 3 into 2, 6. So 68 is the answer. Then 34 into 2 means 34 times 2. 30 times 2 is 60. So the answer it is more than 60. 40 times 2 it is 80. So the answer is less than 80. What is the answer? That is 34 times 2 means what? 30 times 2. That is 30 times 2 is 60. Answer is more than 60. 40 times 2 is 80. Answer is less than 80. So the answer is 68. Okay. Then, how can we find 34 times 2? I know this girl is saying that is she knows. What's this? Bharati wrote 30 times 4. See, 34 is 30 and 4. Right. That is 30 into 2, that is 60. 4 into 2, that is 8. Okay, so see here, written downwards. This 2 into 30, 60, 2 times 4, 8. So 30 times 2 it is 60 and 4 times 2 it is 8. But what's the answer? Just add the numbers in the box, you will get the answer. That is 60 plus 8, that is equal to 68. 68 toffees in all. Okay. In a picnic, 4 fruits were given to every student. The number of students is 23. Find out the total number of fruits given. ഇപ്പോൾ ഒരു പിക്നിക്കിൽ 4 ഫ്രൂട്ട്സ് ഓരോ കുട്ടികൾക്ക് കൊടുത്തു അല്ലേ? മൊത്തം എത്ര സ്റ്റുഡൻസ് ഉള്ളത്? 23. അപ്പൊ എത്ര ഫ്രൂട്ട്സ് ആ കൊടുത്തതെന്ന് എങ്ങനെയാ അറിയാം? നമ്പർ ഓഫ് സ്റ്റുഡൻസ്, എത്ര സ്റ്റുഡൻസ് ഉണ്ടായിരുന്ന പിക്നിക്കിൽ? 23. അല്ലെ? ഓരോ കുട്ടികൾക്ക് എത്ര വീതം? 4 ഫ്രൂട്ട് വീതം കൊടുത്തു. അപ്പൊ ടോട്ടൽ നമ്പർ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് എങ്ങനെയാണ്? ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് 23 ടൈംസ് 4. That is equal to how much? How can we find that? That is 4 into 3 means it is 12. Balance 1. 4 into 2, 8. Then 9. 92 is the answer. Okay, so we can write here as 92. Is equal to 92. Okay, 23 into 4 means 23 times 4. That is 20 times 4 means how much? 20 പ്രാവശ്യം 4 എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ 80. So answer it is more than 80. അല്ലേ? 80 നെക്കാട്ടിയും കൂടുതലായിരിക്കും. Answer is also less than 100. Can you tell why? കാരണം എന്താണ്? Here 23 അല്ലേ? അപ്പം 20 എടുത്തിട്ടുള്ളൂ. ബാക്കി എന്താ ഉള്ളത്? 3 ആണ് ഉള്ളത്. So 3 times 4. Let us try if we can do by Bharati's method. ഭാരതിയുടെ മെത്തേഡിൽ നമുക്ക് ഇത് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുമോ നോക്കാം അല്ലേ? അപ്പൊ 20യും 3യും നമ്മൾ ഇവിടെ എഴുതി അല്ലേ? എന്തുകൊണ്ടാ മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുക? ഹിയർ ഈ 4 ആ കിടക്കുന്നത്. So how will you multiply? 20 into 4. Okay, 20 is here into 4. How much it is that? It is 80. Then what is left? 3. 3 into 4. How much? It is 12. Adding both. Adding 80 and 12. What we will get? We will get the answer as 92. Okay. If you are not understanding, see this video 2 or 3 times. Okay. Then practice time. What is the practice time given here? We have to multiply. Okay. 22 into 3. How to do that? See here. We can do like this. 22 it is given into, that is times 3. 22 times 3. 3 into 2. How much? It is 6. Here 3 into 2. That is 6. So the answer is 66 for first one. Then next we can write 21 into 22 times 4. How to write this? 4 into 1, that is 4. 4 times 2, 8. So the second one answer is 84. Then third one, 11 times 5. How much it is? 5 times 1 it is 5. 5 times 1 it is 5. Next one, 20 times 4. How to write that? 20 here multiplied 4. Anything multiplied by 0, 4 into 0, that is 0, 4 into 2, 8. So we can write the answers now. Okay, that is first one we have got the answer how much? We got the answer as 66. Then next one, how much it is? It is 84. Third one, 55. Fourth one, 80. Okay, we have done 4 answers. Then we can do again. Next it is what? 26 times 4. How to do that? 26 it is there. Multiplied 4. What is 4 times 6? 4 times 6 it is 24. Balance 2. 4 times 2 8 plus 2 10. Okay. I will say once more. That is 4 times 6 is 24. Balance 4 here. 4 it is written here. Balance 2 is there. 2 times 2 it is 4. That is we can do 4 times 2 8. 8 plus 2 10. 104 is the answer. Next one. 25 times 3. 3 times 5 15. Balance 1. 3 times 2, 6 plus 1, 7. 75 is the answer. Then 35 into 3. Right here as 35 multiplied 3. 3 into 5, 15. Balance 1. 3 into 3, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. Next one. 32 multiplied 5. 32 multiplied 5. 5 into 2, 10, 0, balance 1. 5 into 3, 15, plus 1, 16. 43 multiplied 2. That is 43 it is given here. Multiplied 2. How much? 3 into 2 it is 6. 4 into 2, 8. Next one. 24 multiplied 2. 2 times 4, 8. 2 times 2, 4. Next one. 30 times 5. 30 times what is there? 5. Anything multiplied by 0, 0. 5 into 3 that is 15. 23 multiplied 9. 8, 9 multiplied 3, 27, 7, 2. 9 multiplied to 18 plus 2, 20. 38 multiplied 2. 8 times 2 that is 16. Balance 1. 2 times 3 6 plus 1 7. 24 multiplied 5. 5 times 4 that is 20. Balance 2. 2 times 5 10 plus 2 12. 48 multiplied 4. 8 times 4 32. 3. 4 times 4 16 plus 3 that is 19. 58 multiplied 2. 8 times 2 16. Balance 1. 5 times 2 10 plus 1 11. So we can write the answers one by one. Okay. 26 multiplied by 4. How much it is? It is 104. Next, 25 multiplied by 3. It is 75. 35 multiplied 3. 105. 32 multiplied by 5. 160. 43 multiplied 2. 86. 24 multiplied 2. 48. 30 multiplied 5, 150. 23 multiplied 9, 207. Again 38 multiplied 2, 76. 24 multiplied 5, 120. 48 multiplied 4, 192. Not 192. 58 multiplied 2, how much it is? It is 116. This is the method we are done for what? Multiplication. Okay. Then next, first guess the answer and then calculate. Okay. A flower has 5 petals. A bunch of flowers has 13 flowers. How many petals are there in the bunch? So a flower, it is having how many petals? One flower, that is equal to how much? How much petals it is having? 5 petals it is having. Okay. One flower it is having 5 petals. Then a bunch of flower has how much petal? How much? 13 flowers. A bunch of flowers has 13 flowers. How many petals are there in the bunch? So 13, what we have to do? We have to multiply 13 into 5 because 5 petals is there in one flower. So if 13 flowers is present, 13 into 5, that is equal to, how to do this? Here, see here, 13 is given, 5 is given. When we are multiplying, 5 multiplied 3, 15, balance 1, 5 into 5, 5 plus 1, 6. So 65 is the answer for this. Okay. 65 petals will be present. The next one. A book has 64 pages. What will be the total number of pages in 8 such books? So how many pages are there? 64 pages are there. In how many books? One book it is having 64 pages. So how many pages will be there in 8 such books? How to do that? That is 64 it is given 8 books. So 8 into 4, that is 32, balance 3. 8 into 6, 48, 49, 50, 51. 512 is the answer. So how much it is present here? Pages 512 pages present in 8 books. Okay, students stand in rows in the assembly. There are 6 rows of students. So students, they are standing in the assembly. How many rows? 6 rows are present. Each row, it is having how many students? See here. Here how many students? 17 students. Row means here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 rows are present. 17 students. How to do this? That is 17 multiplied 6. 6 into 7. That is 6 into 6 is 36. 6 into 7 it is 42. 42. 6 into 6 36. 6 into 7 it is 42. Then plus 6 into 1 6 plus 4 10. 102 is the answer. So how much it is present? 102. What we have to write? 17 multiplied 6 is equal to 102. Okay. One or two it is present. 102, how many students it is? So we have to write what? 102 students we have to write. Okay, 102 students. Then a design has 3 flowers in it. So a piece of cloth has 17 such designs. 17 design ഉണ്ട് such designs. How many flowers will be there in the cloth? Cloth flowers so we have to do 17 multiplied 3 is equal to, can do here, but 3 flowers are there in one row. So altogether how many flowers will be there? 17 designs are there. Multiplied 3. 7 multiplied 3. 21. 1 balance 2. 3 into 1 3 plus 2 5. So 51 flowers will be there in this cloth. Okay. 51 flowers. How many in 23 dozen? Many things are sold by the dozen. For example, bangles and bananas are often sold by the dozen. 1 dozen bananas means 12 bananas. So 23 dozen bananas is 23 into 12 bananas. Okay, how many things are sold by the dozen? That is 23. 1 dozen means 12 set. Okay, 12 bananas. So 23 dozen bananas is equal to 23 into 12. 23 into 10 we know 230. 23 into 12. How will you do this? In order to find 23 into 12, Bharati's way we can do. How to do that? 20 into 10, that is 200. 3 into 10 is 30. So 20 into 10, 200. 20 into 2, 40. 3 into 10, 30. 3 into 2, 6. So 200 plus 40 plus 30 plus 6 is 276. One more method it is there. We can do that. That is 23. It is given here. Into 12. 3 into 2, 6. 1, 2 into 2, 4. Plus 1, 5. 3 into 1, 3. 2 into 1, 2. 6, 8, 2. Likewise also we got the answer. 23 into 12. 3 into 2, 6. 2 into 2, 4. Plus 1, 5. 5 is written here. 1 into 3, it is 3. 1 into 2, 2. 6, 286. How will be it is to? 6 is there. 3 into 2, 6. So how it is balanced? Balance it is not there. 3 into 2, 6. 2 into 2, 4. Okay. 4. It is 4. Not 5. I'm mistaken. Okay. 3 into 2, 6. 2 into 2, 4. Then 1 into 3, 3. 1 into 2, 2. So 6. Here it is 7. 276 is the answer. Okay. Likewise, also we can do 276. 23 can be written as 20 and 3. 12 can be written as 10 and 2. Okay. 23 means 20 and 3. 12 means 10 and 2. So what we'll write here? 20 means what is 20 means? That is 20 into 10. Then here 2. That is 20 into 2. We can write it as what? How to multiply this? 20 multiplied 10, that is equal to 200. Okay, then what to write here? 20 multiplied 2, that is equal to how much? 40. Then 3 multiplied 10, that's equal to 30. Then 3 multiplied 2, 3 multiplied 2, that is equal to 6. Likewise we can do. Okay, have you understood that? It is 20 multiplied 10, we get 200. 20 multiplied 3, we get 30. 2 multiplied 20, 40. 2 multiplied by 3, 6. Okay, this is the way that Bharati did that work. You can also follow this. 23 dozen bananas is 276 bananas. Now try doing 43 multiplied 13. How to do that? That is, you have to draw one column. In that column, in that top side, we will write 43 can be written as 40 and 3. 13 can be written as 10 and 3. So, cross multiplying, that is 10 multiplied by 40, we get 400. 10 multiplied by 3, we get 30. 40 multiplied by 3, 120. 3 multiplied by 3, 9. Okay, so we have to add the number in the box. What are the number in the box? 40 plus 120 plus 30 plus 9. That is equal to 559. Okay. So 43 into 13, that is equal to 559. Practice time. First guess the answer and then check by calculating. So if you are able to guess the answer, you can guess it first. If you are not able to, you can draw the side. That is 43 into, see here, we can start writing 43 into 23. How to write that? 42 can be written as what? 42 can be written as 40 and 2. A box is drawn here. Okay, first draw one box. In that, in the top side, what it is given? 40, then 2. Okay. That is, here see 43 into 13 means 40 and 3. Then this multiplied by 13, multiplied by 23. That 23 can be written as how much? 20. Then here what? 3. So 40 into 20, what is that? 4 into 2, it is 8. And additional 2 zeros. 40 into 3, what is that? 40 into 3, it is 120. Okay. Then 20 into 2, 40. 2 into 3, 6. So we have to add all this. That is everything, every answer that we got, we have to add. What are the answers we got? We got the answers as 800 plus 120 plus 40 plus 6. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 6, it is 6. 4 plus 2, it is 6. 8 plus 1, it is 9. So 966 is the answer. Okay. 966 is the answer. Again, how to do this? 51 into 13. See, if you are not understanding, you have to repeat the video once more. Okay, a column will be drawn. In that column, you have to write this. Okay. So a column, it is drawn. Where it is drawn? 51 into 13. How to write that? Put a box. Put a box here. 51 can be written as 50. Here what? 1. 13 can be written as 10. Here 3. So 50 into 10, that is equal to 500. 10 into 1 is equal to 10. 3 into 50, that is equal to 150. 3 into 1, that is equal to 3. So 500 plus 150 plus what is here? 10 plus 3. 0 plus 0 plus 0, that is 0 plus 3 is 3. 5 plus 1, it is 6. 5 plus 1, 6. So 663 is the answer for this. Okay, have you understood? 663. Again. (25) into 36. How to do that? Again, we do in this method. That is 25 can be written as what? 20, here 20, here 5. 36 can be written as 30. Here 6. So 20 into 30, that is 6. 2 into 3, that is 6. Adding 2 zeros. 30 into 5, that is 150. 6 into 20, that is 120. 6 into 5, that is 30. Adding all the answers, that is 600 plus 120 plus 150 plus 30. In this side only 0 is there. So 0 plus 0 we get 0. 2 plus 5 7. 7 plus 3 10. 0. Balance 1. 6 plus 1 7. 7 plus 1 8. 8 plus 1 9. So 900 is the answer for this. You can write here as 900. 73 into 11. How to write that? I'm going to rub this. See this video 2 or 3 times. Okay. Then you will be able to do it fastly. 73 into 11. How to draw that? We have to write here a column is created. 70. Then 3. 11 can be written as 10 plus 1. So 70 into 10 is equal to 700. 70 into 1 is equal to 70. 3 into 10 is equal to 30. 3 into 1 is equal to 3. Again adding everything, that is 700 plus 70 plus 30 plus 3. 0 plus 3 we get 3. 7 plus 3 10, 0. Balance 1. So 7 plus 1 8. So 803 is the answer. 803 is the answer for this. Again 54 into 12. How to do that? First draw a column. On the top side we are writing 54 as 50 and 4. On the side 12 is written as 10 and 2. In order to make the multiplication easier, we are writing in the simplest form. So 50 into 10 we get as 500. 50 into 2, how much it is that? It is 100. 10 into 4, it is 40. 2 into 4, it is 8. So 500 plus 100 plus 40 plus 8. 0 plus 8, 8. 0 plus 4, 4. 5 plus 1, 6. So 648 is the answer. 12 plus 14. How much it is that? So what we will write here? 12 plus 14. 4 into 2, that is 8. 4 into 1, 4. Or that is in this method we have to do. Sorry, the method is changed. That is we have to write in the simplest form. Okay, 12 into 14 can be written as 12 can be written as 10 and 2. 14 can be written as 10 and 4. So 10 multiplied by 10, that is 100. 10 multiplied by 2, 10 multiplied 2, 20. 4 multiplied 10, 40. 4 multiplied 2, 8. 100 plus 40 plus 20 plus 8. It is 0 plus 8 we get as 8. 4 plus 2 we are getting it as 6. 1 it is written as such. So our answer is 168 is the answer. See here it is 1, 6 and 8. So 168 is the answer for this. Next, go to the multiplication factors. That is, we are studying about the multiplication factor 9. 9 multiplied by any number, that is 0, when multiplied by 9 we get as 0. Again the multiplication pattern starts. Okay. If you have written every answer, you can see the video once more. Multiplication pattern of 9 starts here. 9 multiplied by 1, that is equal to 9. 2 times 9 will be 18. That is 9 when it is written. How many times? 2 times. It will be 18. Again 9 when written 3 times it will be 27. It can also be written as 18 as 1 plus 8. That is equal to 9. That is when we are adding the answers. When both the answers, when a 2-digit answer it is being added, we are getting the result as 9. Okay. See here, 9 multiplied or 9 times 2 we got as 18, which can be written as 1 plus 8. Finally, we got the answer as 9. So 9 multiplied by 3, 9 multiplied 3, not by. By means it is division. So 9 multiplied by 3 we get as 27. We can be written as 2 plus 7, that is equal to 9. That is, we are getting the multiplication factor. With which factor we are multiplying, we get the answer finally. So 2 plus 7, that is equal to 9. Again 9 multiplied by 4 or 9 times 4 we got as 36. This can be split as 3 plus 6, that is equal to what? 9. Then again 9 multiplied by 5 or 9 times 5 we got as 45. Can be written as 4 plus 5, that is equal to 9. Again what can be written here? 9 multiplied or 9 times 6. 9 times 6 we got as the answer what? 54. Okay, it can be written as 5 plus 4, that's equal to 9. Then 9 multiplied or 9 times 7. We got the answer as 63. This can be written as 6 plus addition 3, that is equal to 9. Again 9 multiplied by 8 or 9 times 8. We got the answer as 72. It can be written as 7 plus 2, that is equal to 9. Okay, did you see the pattern in the 9 times table? What numbers are adding up to 9? So, these are the numbers that is being added to get the result as 9. Complete the grid by multiplying the numbers. What is here? In this row 1 to 10 it is given. In this column also 1 to 10 it is given. What we have to do is multiply crosswise. That is, when 1 it is multiplied with 1, we get the answer as 1. 1 multiplied by 2, we get the answer as 2. Then 1 multiplied by 3, we get the answer as 3. Likewise, what we have to do? We have to multiply each number with the numbers in this side. Okay, that is 2 multiplied by 2, we get as 4. We have to complete this. If we are completing, we will get the method. Then what we have to be done here? 4 multiplied by 1, that is 4, it is crossed with 1. What we will get? 4. Okay, then 4 crossed with 4, that is 2, we get as 8. We are actually cross multiplying our result. Okay, 4 multiplied with 1, we get a result as 4. Then what we are doing? 4 crossed with this 2, we get the answer as 8. Again, 4 crossed with 3, we get 12. What is given here? See here, 4, 6, 8. Here 3, 6, 9. Okay. Multiplication factors of every numbers it is given in this box. Then 4 multiplied or crossed with the 4. We get the answer as 16. 4 crossed with the 5 or 4 times 5 get as 20. 4 times 6, 24. 4 times 7, that is 28. 4 times 8, 32. 4 times 9, that is 36. 4 times 10, it is equal to 40. Okay, 5 times 1 means 5. 5 times 2 or 2 multiplied with 5 or 5 times 2 crossed. It is crossed, we get as 10. 5 times 3 we get as 15. 5 times 4, 20. 5 times 5, 25. 5 times 6, 30. 5 times 7, 35. 5 times 8, that is 40. 5 times 9, 45. 5 times 10, 50. You have to write this 2 or 3 times. Okay, this multiplication factors. Again, what we are doing? 6, it is crossed with 1. 6 crossed with the numbers from 1 to 10, and we have to write the answer. So 6 crossed with 1, and we get 6. 6 crossed with 2, 12. With 3, 18. With 4, 24. With 5, get the answer as 30. 24, 30. 30. 6 crossed with the 6, 36. 6 crossed with the 7, 42. 36 here. Here 42. 6 crossed with 8. 42. Here what? Here it is 48. Then 56. 54. Then what? It is 60. Then what is the next? Next is the factor with 7. 7 crossed 1, 7. 7 crossed 2, that is 14. 7 crossed 3, 21. 7 crossed 4, 28. 7 crossed 5, 35. 7 crossed 6, 42. 7 crossed 7, 49. 7 crossed 8, 56. 7 crossed 9, 63. 7 crossed 10, 70. Then next is about 8. 8 crossed 1, it is 8. 8 crossed 2, it is 16. 8 crossed, that is 3, it is 24. 8 crossed 4, it is 32. 8 crossed 5, it is 40. 8 crossed 6, 48. 8 crossed 7. What is 8 crossed 7? It is 56. 8 crossed 7, 56. 8 crossed 8, it is 64. 8 crossed 8. 8 crossed 9, it is 72. And 8 crossed 10, it is what? It is 80. Then about 9. About 9. 9 crossed 1, 9. 9 crossed 2, 18. 9 crossed 3, 27. 9 crossed 4, 36. 9 crossed 5, 45. 9 crossed 6, 54. 9 crossed 7, 63. 9 crossed 8. It is what? 72. 9 crossed 9, 81. 9 crossed 10, it is 90. Then coming to 10, multiply 10. 10 cross 1, 10. 10 cross 2, 20. 10 cross 3, it is 30. 10 cross 4, 40. 10 cross 5, 50. 10 cross 6, 60. 10 cross 7, 70. 10 cross 8, 80. 10 cross 9, it is 90. And finally 10 cross 10, it is 100. Okay, look at the cross in your grid. What is given here? Add the numbers and the together from the top to bottom. That is, when we are adding the number from top to bottom, 3 plus 6 plus 9. What is that? 18. Again, from the bottom section, cross section also we get 4 plus 6 plus 8. That is also is equal to 18. The total is same. Look for some crosses and copy them in your book. So if you are looking at a cross like this, you have to find the numbers that is being hidden here. Okay, if you are drawing, I think total is same. Look for certain numbers. I think if you are taking 8, 6, 12, 24, 8, 6, 24, what is the total? It is 8 plus 16, 24. 10 plus 8, it is 18. 2 plus 1, 3. Plus 1, 48. Then this 14, 16, 14, 16, 18, 10, 8. It's also 48. Okay, so I had found one. You also have to do the same. That is a middle number. It is being created when we are adding the three numbers. We'll get the answer same. Okay, 8, 16 and 24 we get 48. 14, 16 and 18 we also get the number as 48. Mark the numbers 1 to 10 in the same grid in one color. 12 to 20 in another. 21, 13 is different color. Do you see any color pattern? That is, color pattern means what all we have to do? We have to do this filling the colors in one pattern. That is, if you are coloring this number in one pattern, then the corresponding this section it is colored blue. The next section we are coloring in this pink color. This is colored pink. And finally which color? Finally red color it is coming. That we are coloring for the multiplication factor of what? Multiplication factor of 10. Okay. Like this we had colored the table. So if you are not able to understand means you have to see this video 2 or 3 times. So that's all about this chapter. If you understood, like, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you.